It's one of the best beaches on the island, one of my favourite spots for sure. And today, I'm going to show you why. Sean here from the amazing island of Koh Samui in Thailand. Today, we're going to explore Lamai Beach. Let's go! I took a leap and embarked on full-time travel in 2022, armed with drones and cameras. I share my adventures as I travel across Southeast Asia. Venturing into the unknown has been both exhilarating and rewarding. To me, Southeast Asia is a goldmine of experiences, rich in culture, amazing people, delicious food, and unforgettable adventures. And it's this very essence that I share with you. So pack your curiosity, buckle up, and subscribe to join me on my wild adventures through the amazing cities, unbelievable landscapes, and hidden gems of Southeast Asia. Alright, so here we are at Lamai Beach. The sun's just starting to come out. Have a look at this. So the sunlight is starting to come through, but it's behind a bit of a haze at the moment. So you get the nice sunrises, but on top of that, it's a really long stretch of white sand beach, really nice clear waters. It's one of the best beaches on the island, one of my favorite spots for sure. And today, I'm going to show you why. Always pretty nice time of the day. Getting up for a sunrise, getting some steps in. This beach has a lot of resorts, cafes and restaurants along the side of the beach. The sun is now starting to break through the haze. So not only is Lamai Beach one of the top spots of all of Koh Samui, but it's also one of the best places to stay. Even if you're not renting a scooter or a car, everything's here and it's pretty much within walking distance. So lots of cafes, bars, restaurants, you've got it all. These are all the beach bars and cafes. They'll all be opening up soon. Plenty of cocktails, cold beers, coconuts, and of course your Thai food. Lots of barbecue here as well, so barbecue seafood, barbecue meats. So there's two main beaches on the east coast of Koh Samui. You've got Chaweng Beach, which is like the center of it all. It's the party place. Lamai still has its partying and nightlife, but it's a bit more chilled. It's just the next beach along too, so even if you're staying in Lamai, it's not hard. It's only like 10-15 minutes on a scooter and you're in amongst it all anyway. So you still do have it as an option. Koh Samui is a bit more expensive than most of the other places around Thailand, so Chaweng is where you're gonna cop the highest of the expenses. So Lamai's a bit cheaper, bit of a step down, and then you've got some local areas on the other sides of the island where food and drinks get a bit cheaper again. If you're here for a week and you just want to party, maybe you want to stay in Chaweng, but if you want to chill, a bit more relaxed place to be, then definitely check out Lamai Beach, and especially if you're going to be staying a bit longer, I think Lamai is the place to be. So I'll show you later, once these places are open, what it's all like. Some really nice cafes here. One of my favorites where I often do a bit of work. There's a couple of spots here that are really good. And of course, down the southernmost end of the beach, you've got the Grandfather and Grandmother Rock. So here we are at the most southern end of the beach, where right down here you can see Grandmother and Grandfather Rocks there. Right now the tide's pretty high, so you can't quite see them at sunrise, or at least not this time of year. Sun is really coming out now. So as you can see, it's a really cool place, but everything's closed right now, so let's come back when everything's open. All right, let's go. Just stopped here at Siwa Latte and Eatery. It's right on the beach here at Lamai Beach. They do pretty decent coffee too, so pretty good here. Nice and chill, that's for sure. So yeah, I choose to stay in Lamai. It's got everything. It's just quite developed. So there's Lotus Super Centre here, which it's kind of like your combined Target and supermarket all in one. You've got street food markets, you've got nightlife, there's even free Muay Thai events on. You've got sports bars where you can watch all your sports, international sports that you want to see. You've got the nightlife still if you want to go out and party to 3 a.m. There's plenty of night spots here as well. So, plus you're right on amazing beaches. You've got 7-Elevens everywhere. There's a 24-hour Macca's, pharmacies. There's even Watson's here, which is a pharmacy chain which is quite well known. Really great prices. It's a pretty good spot. Also, as you can probably see already, the place is just a lot more chill than Chaweng. And the other part I don't really like about Chaweng as well is that you've got the airport right there, and there's constantly planes. Like every half an hour there'll be, because the airport's right in the middle of Chaweng, so you hear the planes coming through there all the time really loudly. So you don't have that peace, even if you're sitting at the beach or enjoying a casual coffee at a cafe. Just the noise of planes going overhead just kind of kills the vibe. So as for the food options in Lamai, you've got so many to choose from. So you've got popular Thai restaurants, you've got barbecue, you've got your Western options, there's Aussie bars and grills, there's steakhouses, there's Japanese restaurants here as well. So whatever you're looking for, you are pretty spoiled for choices around here. A lot of cafes, restaurants right on the beach, just like this as well. So the cappuccino come to 80 baht, so pretty decent price. Bit more budget friendly than Chaweng, but in saying that, Koh Samui is compared to prices in Thailand a bit higher than most places. So, but still, the quality of coffee here is something I have been impressed with. Definitely. Koh Samui has some of the best coffee in all of Thailand for sure. As you can see, it's a really nice stretch of beach, quite long. Sand is white. Turquoise coloured waters of the ocean. Pretty nice. While you're at Lamai Beach, you just have to go in for a swim. The water's amazing. The water's really nice. Just look at the colour of this ocean. And there's a lot of cafes that you can sit in and work down at the beach as well. So one of my favorites is Cactus. I just come down here, they've got good Wi-Fi and amazing view of the beach, and it's a lot cooler actually than a lot of the places around. They've got a good roof, fans going, and you get that sea breeze the whole time, so it doesn't get too hot. It's quite good. Alright, just wrapping up the day here at Lamai Beach. Got a Singer draft. First time I've tried it. Just here at the Cactus. They do a happy hour currently, where 119 baht, buy one get one free draft beer Singer. So schooner size for, yeah, looking at 60 baht a piece. So yeah, Lamai Beach. Tell you what, one thing I forgot to mention before too, it's got a gym. I've been working out there 4 to 5 days a week. So you've got that. You got your 24 hours Maccas, your Lotus Super Centre, pharmacies and 7-Elevens all over the place. So plenty of laundromats if you need to get your clothes clean as well. So all of that is really here. As I said before, if you are going to come here, you don't want to rent a scooter or a motorbike, you can live comfortably just in Lamai Beach alone. You've got the nightlife, you've got the beach, you've got everything you need. Definitely worthwhile checking out Lamai Beach if you are going to come to Koh Samui. It is that chill, bit more of a vibe to it, a bit more relaxed, and I think a bit easier to get work done as well than Chawang, at least anyway. Coming up as well, I do have the digital nomad lifestyle in Koh Samui, so what that looks like. I've got the monthly wrap up. I'm gonna do a bit of the nightlife in Koh Samui as well, so there is that coming. There's also the Akbar Beach Club, and of course the monthly wrap up. Should you come to Koh Samui, is it worth it? All of that to come. So if that sounds good to you, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you have subscribed already, thank you. It does mean a lot to us. You're the reason why we make these videos, so thank you. And I look forward to catching you in the next one.